We are going to tour this 5 bed, 6 bath, 6,000 square foot home in Salt Lake City, Utah. It was part of the Parade of Homes, and it's unique in that it was two lots that they combined into one and put a brand new build in, which you don't get a lot in Salt Lake. So, right in the front door to the right, you have the office with these massive windows that overlook the mountains when it's not snowy, of course. I thought they did a great job with the staging in this home. Something I haven't seen before is they put the common area bathroom in the office, which at first I was thinking that's really nice for a remote worker like me that goes to the bathroom a million times a day. But then if you have kids downstairs or you've got somebody in the kitchen, they would have to come into the office to use that, and that might interrupt calls. So, not sure how I feel about it. Moving into the kitchen, I like the dark, moody cabinets and the open wood on the ceiling. I do think that my taste, I would like the wood on the ceiling to be a little bit lighter, but I still love the design trend, and I think it will be in for a very long time and will be very timeless. And I apologize for the fingers in the video. Amateur hour. Apparently, it's my first day. I also love that this garage is nice and spacious. You can drive through it, and there's also a detached garage behind the house. Here's one more look at that kitchen with that dark ceiling. I like it, but I do feel like it makes the ceiling come down a little bit too much. Moving into the rest of the home, I like the table there, especially the round design that they did. You could do a long rectangular one as well. And this fireplace is to die for because it goes all the way up to the ceiling, which I don't know how tall this house is, but it's massive. Right off the living room is the master bedroom and bathroom, and it does not disappoint. I think it's just the right size, not too big, not too small, and you've got the sliding glass doors that go out to the patio area and the backyard. I also love the black wood slat wall, as well as the lights that are coming down from the ceiling. Something that I have noticed a lot in Utah particularly is a lot of the master bathrooms do not have a bathtub. And it might just be me, but I feel like you have to have a big tub in order to have that true master suite. So they did a great job. The shower is huge, the tub is huge, and they have a really good sized closet in here as well. Okay, jump forward to the upstairs far bedroom. These bedrooms are a really good size, and they have big, massive windows that overlook the valley. I like the black and white tile there. It just gives it a little bit of a pop and a fun design trend. And you have an extra seating area up here. I'm not sure what you would do with it, but it could be a fun little play area for kids depending on their ages. I'm still undecided on whether I like the tile in this bathroom or not. My boyfriend really liked it. I didn't hate it, but I just wasn't sure if I liked it. So let me know what your thoughts are on this blue tile. There are two bedrooms upstairs. The first one we toured had its own bathroom. The second bedroom would use that common area bathroom with the blue tile, and it is slightly smaller than that first one was. Something that I really value in a home is natural light, and they did a great job with the windows in this home. Those windows are massive, overlooking this stairwell. I also must mention the real white oak hardwood floor is throughout the entire thing, and it is beautiful. And moving on to the basement, if we shoot off to the left here, there is an additional bathroom and bedroom. Both are a good size, and I love that it doesn't feel like you're in a dark dungeon basement. It feels like you're just right on the ground floor. There is a small laundry room area down here. And then a design trend that I thought was unique but a little bit odd is that there is the same wood from the kitchen upstairs down on this ceiling, but that's the only section that you ever see it again throughout the house. Then you have a massive theater room. Love that. And then right across the hallway from that is an additional bedroom that has a connecting door to the bathroom that would also be the common area bathroom for the downstairs area. I really liked that cream white tile in that shower. And then last but not least, here is the downstairs family area. It does have a walkout door to the outside, and it does have a small kitchen. So the moment you've been waiting for, the final price for this home is $2,895,000. Let me know in the comments what you think about this home and if it's worth that price.